DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to DPS TeleClass. Before we begin our lesson, first let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
So, hi again. So today I am here to take another thematic lesson for grade 3 students, and today's topic is teamwork. Here are your learning intention and success criteria. So before we begin the lesson, we will first read our learning intention and success criteria of the day. This is your learning intention. Your learning intention is we are going to learn about the importance of teamwork. And this will be your success criteria. You will be successful if you can write at least 4 ways on why you like to work in a group, and also you will be identifying the situation which shows teamwork and which does not show teamwork. Is it clear? Teamwork. Now from the words itself I think you will be familiar with the word team, right? Teamwork. When we are playing a game or a football match or a handball match, we are in a team, and within the team we work and we try our best to win the game, right? So teamwork is working together. It also means to involve people in a creative role to ensure success. There are many advantages of working in a team. Now in class also you can see that teachers will be dividing you guys into different groups, right? In a group there might be 3, 4, 5, 6 students, and you will be assigned with the task that you have to do. And very importantly, you have to give each one of your friend a task. Then only you will be able to finish the task on time. That is what a team looks like, a good team looks like. If you do not do the work in the team, other members will not be happy and the work will be not finished on time, right? Okay. Now, not only humans do the group work or teamwork, the animals and the insects also shows us very good example of teamwork. Like that, bees shows a very good example of teamwork. They produce honey for us. They work very hard to produce honey. All the bees you can see in a hive, there are millions of bees. They all work together to produce the honey. Okay, so we bees live in a hive. So our home is called beehive. We live together as a team. Now from the picture you can see the inside of the bee's home, okay? And you can see different sections in the hive, and All the bees are involved in a work, different jobs they have. They have different roles and responsibilities assigned to them so that they produce a good batch of honey. Let's see what this bee is saying. This is the inside of our home. We work as a team to reach our goal. Each member in my team has a role and responsibility. Let me introduce to my team members. Here are the team members of the beehive. I am the queen bee. I lay millions of eggs. And the next members are we are cleaners. We clean the hive. Now every area should be clean, right? Your working area should be clean like that. The bees also clean their hive. Suppose they are doing a very hard work. One bee might die, right? So they clean the dead bees also. Now we have the nurse bee. She's saying, I am the nurse bee. I look after the baby bees. Now you can see from the picture given here, the nurse bee is holding two baby bees. She takes care of the baby bees until they are adult or until they are ready to take care of their role and responsibilities. Now we have the guard bee. I risk my life to protect the hive and other bees. So this guard bee is very important, right? The hive might get attacked, so he protect the hive and he also protect other bees. I am forager. I fly to collect nectar, water, pollen for the hive. Do you know the bees collect the nectar from the flowers to produce the honey? Okay, so he is a very important bee. He takes the nectar and takes it back to the hive. Now we have the hive builder. Do you see the shapes in that comb? That is called a bee comb. These bees try to build the hive. They produce wax and they construct the comb. That is called a comb. And also they ripens the honey. You know, have you seen any hive? First we see a very small one. Then when the times fly up, the hive gets bigger and bigger day by day, right? That is because the hive builders construct the comb of the hive. Our team members work hard to give you sweet and delicious honey. Now you know the honeybees produce honey. We get to eat the sweet honey. That is because these bees try very hard to produce honey. They never get lazy. They fully take the responsibility of their role. So like that, we also should work hard as busy as a bee. Alright? A good teamwork. Now I'm going to tell you some points on how a good teamwork will look like. We should work together as a team. Now we should not suppose there are 5 students in a group. We should all participate together, not the four members work very hard and the other remaining member just sits on the chair. In that way, a good teamwork will not happen. Okay? And the next point is we should trust our teammates. We should cooperate and work hard as a team member. We should respect each other. That means we should respect each other's ideas. Okay? We should support our teammates. Now, what do you do when you go to watch a football match? You support your team members. Like that, when we are in a group work, we should support each other like this. Yes, you can do it. You can finish the work like that. You should support by saying these types of sentences. Okay, and we should understand that it's not an individual win, it is the victory of the entire team. So, in a team, we all win if we work hard like the bees. We should always help our teammates. Now, you know that we all are unique and we don't have the same skills. We are not as creative as other members of the team. But if you have a team member like that, you should help the teammate. Okay? You should not make her or him feel sad just because they don't know anything. You should help each other out. Then you can produce a good teamwork. Now I'm going to discuss about the points on not a good teamwork. So there are many points, but I have taken few. So the points are not listening to teammates, not respecting each other, not completing the work given. Now in a team or in a group work, you will be given a task. One might draw, one might color, and the other member might cut the pictures. Other member might paste the pictures. Like that, you can give separate roles and responsibilities to your group member. A leader will be selected, right? So the leader can give different jobs to the teammates so that you can finish the work quickly on the given time, right? And if you're not supporting and demotivating the team, your team will go down, right? And not respecting each other's ideas also is not a good sign of a good teamwork. Not following the rules of the team, not communicating or participating well. Now you should be very attentive while in a group work. You shouldn't be lazy. You have to participate well. So I hope you all understood what you have to do to make your team good and what you have to neglect for a good teamwork. Now let me ask a question. Why do you like working in a group? Now I like working in a group because I get creative ideas. Now I might get a creative ideas from my group member, right? They have many ideas, so I can get those ideas. I can get new friends. Yeah, we can get new friends if we are doing a group work. I can complete the task easily. Suppose I don't know something, then the group members can help so that I can complete the task easily, right? I can improve my skills. It may be the coloring skill or drawing skill or the cutting skill. Your group members will say, draw like this, color like this, so your skills will be improved. I can help each other, right? I can be more responsible. Yes, that's right. I can be more responsible because I have a job or I have a role given in my group work. So I can be more responsible. Otherwise, the group task will not finish. Now, are you ready for a scenario? I have two scenarios for you, and this is the scenario 1. Are you ready to give the answer? Alright. A group of bees were collecting nectar from a flower. Now you know the flower produces nectar and the bees collect it, right? To produce honey. One bee was not working. So all the bees were collecting the nectar from the flower and one bee was lazy, okay? That bee was not working. It was eating honey while other bees were very busy in working. Because of this, some bees got angry. Now you will also get angry, right, in this situation. And I also will be not happy if all the members are working hard and one member is just sitting and eating. So is this showing a good teamwork? Here is the question. Is this showing a good teamwork? What is your answer? Yes. No, right? This is not showing a good teamwork. Here is the scenario 2. Now, I think they are cleaning the hive. Let's read the scenario. Two bees were cleaning the beehive. They worked together until the hive was clean and tidy. Neither of the bees took rest until the cleaning was done. So both the team members were fully energetic to clean the beehive and they never rested until the hive was clean. So are they showing a good teamwork? What do you think? What is the answer? Yes, yes, this is showing a good teamwork, right? Alright, that was the end of the explanation, and here comes the task of the day. You have to do the following pages in the given books. Okay? You have to do the pages on social big book and PE big book. In the social book, you will do the page 28, 29, 30 and 31. So on page 28, you have to write why you like to work in a group. And in the other pages, you have to write the letters according to the given numbers so that a word will be produced. And in PE book, you have to do the pages 122 and 123. In this page, what you have to do is you have to put a tick mark that shows teamwork and you have to cross out the situation where that shows not a good teamwork. So I hope you understood the task. If you have any doubt, you can call your teacher. And I hope that you got a good idea about the importance of working in a group or the importance of a teamwork. Before we end our lesson. Again, we will look at the success criteria of the day so that you will remember it. So you will be successful if you can write at least 4 ways on why you like to work in a group, and you will be identifying the situation which shows teamwork and which does not show teamwork, like I said in the PE book. Okay. The first criteria is based on the social book, and the second criteria is based for the PE work. So this is the end of the lesson. I hope you are doing well, and please write the date on the pages.
DPS TeleClass